Welcome to the Brooklands Motorsport Day 2024. And this is the commentary edition, part 1. Love the semi-open bonnet on this 1920s, or is it 1930s car? A very cool Lancia Stratos, and this specimen is clearly pushed to its limits, as this is a motorsport day. An Alpha, a Jag E-Type and a Larry McLaren. What else can you spot in the background? It's good to see these vintage cars being pushed to their limits round Mercedes-Benz World's racetrack. A few Caterhams and an Austin. Which colour takes your fancy? That's Stratos from a different angle. And is that an Escort? A Larry Lotus Emira, not really a classic, but this is not just a classic day, it's a motorsport day. Is this a crit? Don't look up the logo if you're easily offended. Race starts with something old, something new. Another race starts demo, a 964 race car, and I'm not sure what. Can anyone tell me? A Napier Railton and a go-kart. If the track was longer, I'll put my money on the Napier. A Metro 6R4 rally car. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this interesting with a bit of light commentary. Do give me your thoughts, and if I've missed any cars, please go ahead and let me know what you thought they were. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.